Hi everyone, welcome back. Dad,
My new wrench.
what are we working on today?
We're working on the van. I think we're going to be working on the GMC today.
Mysterious. Stay tuned.
Alright, Dad, what did you find when we tried to start it?
Well, they had a connector. Here was a connector, and this was a harness that was bought from somebody, and it's a blue connector, which means it's for a number 14 wire, and it was soldered, and the wire pulled right out of the end. Now I've already taken it and crimped a new correct splice on, which is a yellow splice, not a blue one. Now here's the other one they did. Here's the other. These are the ignition leads coming off of the starter, okay? So this is the wrong size connector, and it's soldered on, and I don't believe they got it in there right. So we're gonna cut that off, and we're gonna look at it here. But I don't think, kind of a crappy soldering job too. And I'm not sure if that wire, how well that wire is in there, but obviously we were trying to start it here and it won't, we have no spark. So we're gonna replace both of these connectors with the correct one. The one I've got done already, I'll take this one and cut this off and
What is that stuff?
this is silicone, gasket sealer, gasket maker, whatever you want to call it. But I want it so when we screw the thing down,
Doesn't move?
yeah, but you know the holes through the gasket keep that from happening pretty much. But I want, if I take this cover off to do some maintenance, I want the gasket to stay with the cover. I don't want it to half stick to the engine and then destroy the gasket. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah. Oh, she's running! Dad, that sounds really good!
What's screwed up here? Unless it's loose back there. That should be neutral. Let me see. I wonder. Oh, that is a whole lot better. pretty damn close. I don't know that we... See, the other thing is it pulls easy when you first start. And if you stop here and try to pull it, it becomes harder. So if you go a quick like that, but I'm going to the end of the travel. This thing bottoms out here. You can,
Yeah.
all right, so we should take it up a little bit. But it's not bad. But right now you can't turn those wheels.
Nope, there's no moving.
All right. Now you weren't able to get it that high, but still, I'm guessing.
Stand up though.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Well, we're gonna tighten that up a little bit, anyway. Okay.
All right.
As long as we're here, as long as we'll